Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix ChatGPT not working. So probably the first solution and the easiest way how you can fix the problem is to reload ChatGPT and see if it's working or not. And if it's not, try to log out and log in again. If it's not working, then another thing that you can do here is to try a different browser, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Brave, whatever you like, and log into your account and see if it's working or not. And if ChatGPT is not working, then try to clear ChatGPT cookies. So what you need to do here, you need to go to this little dots here, go to settings, and then go to privacy security, cookies, and then go to see all data permissions, and then just right here open AI, open here, and just clear the cookies here. And also another thing that prevents you from working ChatGPT is your extension. Sometimes it can block ChatGPT access. So what you can do here, you can press this little puzzle icon here and then manage extensions and disable your ChatGPT extensions, right? And if problem is also persisting, then another thing that you can do here is to use VPN and try to enter the servers. And if the problem persists, then you can flush your DNS. So what you can do here, you need to just, if you're using Windows, you just need to go to here and write command prompt and just write IP config flush DNS, right? And try again. And if the problem persists, then another solution is for you to change DNS server addresses. So you just need to press on this little network icon, open network and internet settings, go to open change adapter options, and then just go to properties, internet protocol version 4, use the following DNS server addresses, and then on preferred DNS server, just write 8.8.8.8 and or on alternate DNS server, just write 8.8.4.4. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here if ChatGPT is not working. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.